Namaskar. Weekly forecast, week commencing 7th of September till 13th of September for all of you, based on Indian Vedic astrology, based on moon sign. But you can use this weekly forecast horoscope for your ascendant sign as well, for your Lagna Rashi as well. All the prediction based on moon sign, all the prediction based on Indian Vedic astrology, but can use the weekly forecast again according to your Lagna sign as well, for all of you. Week commencing 7th till 13th of September, 7th September till 13th of September 2020 for all of you. Going to talk about Pisces for this coming week. Pisces. Transit of moon for Pisces in second house, 6th September till 8th September. When the moon transit in second house Pisces, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of moon in second house. When the moon is transit in second house, at that time when the moon is transiting in second house, be careful with your finances. There's a tendency to lose money if you're not very careful. When the moon is transiting in second house, keep a close eye on your expenditure. You will be tempted to spend money unnecessarily. You will be tempted to invest money unnecessarily. Be extra careful when you're dealing or mingling with people around you. Don't take every pokey pie people are saying to you will work for you. No. People can make any statement, but that doesn't mean that all the statements are ultimately universal truth. The answer is no. If you're taking every literally word, if somebody raising your hopes and telling you pokey and telling you a shortcut to success, don't believe it. Please. You can never replace hard work and time. You want to achieve success, you have to invest hard work and time. And when you realize, you end up fighting with these kind of people. People can cheat you, fraud your time, fraud your money, and run away with your hard-earning money. You have to guard your negative mentality, which you can act out of frustration, negative mentality or stress. And that particular action will backfire on your reputation. Don't do that. Obstacles in your workplace are there. When the moon is transiting second house, obstacles in your workplace will come up, but stick on. These are temporary obstacles, not permanent. You have to work hard. You have to invest time. You have to be sincere and honest with yourself. Physically, you feel down and your eyes may create a problem for you during this particular time. Mentally, you feel less content than usual. Moreover, this time period, you're not enjoying anything. You're disappointed and frustrated. But this is a temporary phase, not permanent. Go with the flow if you want to achieve your success. Go with the flow without wasting any time. When the transit of moon in second house, go with the flow. Do the best with your hard work. Invest more time. Listen to the well-wishers, not people who are telling pokey pie. There's no shortcut to success whatsoever. Transit of moon in third house, 8th September till 11th September. When the moon transits in third house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of moon in third house. When the moon is transiting in third house, you enjoy the achievement of desired goal and success in your undertaking for those few days. When the moon is transiting in third house, with the possibility of some name, fame, recognition from people around you, this particular period brings you joy, good fortune on the monetary front. When the moon is transiting in third house, you could expect a clearance of past dues, attainment of wealth, success in your ventures. When the moon is transiting in third house, on the home front, this period signifies ultimate happiness, harmony. During this time period, you could have the best of everything. Lifestyle, companionship, closeness. You would feel generally very happy whatever comes to you, whatever you have to do. A feeling of satisfaction would rule your mind. Chances are that you make best friend with companion, having a good timing with them. Transit of moon in fourth house, 11th September till 13th September. When the moon transits in fourth house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of moon in fourth house. Transit of moon in fourth house. When the moon is transit fourth house, brings some negative results, mostly related to health, happiness, family, life, peace of mind. When the moon is transit in fourth house, utmost care is required when it comes to your own health and well-being and the family health and well-being. Moon is transit in fourth house, you may have to handle a few problematic situations, sometimes not very comfortable with your tummy or chest or breathing. Decline in health become a cause of concern for you, especially when the moon is transit in fourth house. Moreover, the health of the family member or relative will worry you quite a lot. to this particular phase of time. When the moon is transiting 4th house, mentally you feel restless, doubtful of everybody around you. When the moon is transiting in the 4th house. When the moon is transiting in the 4th house, try to keep your grief, fear, agony at bay. Recultivate your self-confidence, particularly this time. Build up your drive, motivate yourself, be more determined. Try to keep your mental equilibrium stable. When the moon is transiting the 4th house, balance especially this time. Financially, this could be a trying time for you. When the moon is transiting in 4th house, expenses can be sky high due to your wrong indulgence that affect your future and venture and your financial backing. Be careful with your money matters. This is a time period you must take care of your relationship with close people around you. Refrain from any kind of animosity with anybody. Watch out and avoid anything that makes you unstable in your temperament. Refrain from consumption of any kind of intoxication. Refrain from foul behavior, please. When the moon is transiting in the 4th house, do watch yourself carefully. In this coming week, you must sort out your Sun, Mercury, Venus for the prevention of any kind of professional losses, financial losses, bad debts, flow of income issues, professional backing issues, relationship crisis, peace of mind issues, career, health, happiness issues. With the help of task precaution chanting, you got to sort out your planet for your best. If you want to achieve weekly horoscope report, then please do visit my website prakashastrologer.com and acquire whole weekly horoscope report and implement it and achieve your best. Many thanks for watching this weekly horoscope. Would you like to know more of what this coming week going to bring for you regarding situations, circumstances, scenarios? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming week regarding your actions, regarding emotions and visions? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming week? Would you like to have some guidance regarding decision choices you're making in this week and how you can overcome and resolve most of your hassles and complication and awkward situation and waste of time in this coming week? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough moon sign weekly horoscope report on video as well as written. Do visit our website prakashastrologer.com because I want you to win in every situation and be self-content and happy.